everybody. I'm Carrie Farinack at Convening Leaders. We are in Tech Central, where all kinds of new technology is being demonstrated and shown right here. And I want to show you one of the things that a lot of folks are talking about. Hey, Greg, how you doing?
Hey, I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm great. This is the first time I've actually interviewed a robot. So I want to introduce you to the Beam robot. And tell me how meeting planners can apply this. It's really cool, but tell me how they can use it.
Well, it's really the idea is if you've got remote speakers that you want to bring in for your conference, and then maybe they have a travel restriction or they've just got a time restriction, this is a way they can come in. They can participate as a speaker, put them up on stage. They can interact with the audience. You can hear everything and see everything, and move around and be a lot more animated than just doing a talking head on a video screen.
Okay, so Greg, one thing I want to know is what do meeting planners need practically to make this happen? I know Wi-Fi's got to be a must, but what else do they need if they want to use this at their event?
So these particular robots, we've got them here on site. We have 3 of them. So if you've got, if you're coming to Vancouver, for example, then you just need to call ahead and say we're going to be needing 1 or 2 Beam robots. We will send you an invite to give you access to the application, which you load down to your computer. And then you can, as long as you've got a camera at your desk, you can drive the robot, and it's pretty easy to drive. It doesn't take after a couple of minutes, you pretty well have that. If you're in a different convention center, you can talk with Suitable Technologies. They will ship them out to a convention center. The convention center that you're at will need pretty fantastic Wi-Fi. It does run on Wi-Fi. Each Beam robot actually has 2 radios in it, so it's connected to several access points at a time. So when I'm driving around, it maintains a good connection. So that might be something to think about. If you're just using it on stage, then maybe you just put an access point at the stage so that you've got good connectivity at the stage would be another way of doing it.
Fantastic. And this might be crazy, but does it run on batteries? I mean, how long does this last?
Yeah, so the batteries last about 6 to 8 hours.
Oh,
so
wow.
it's pretty good. There's a docking station back at the back there, so I can just drive up to the docking station, spin around and dock it, and it continues charging.
That's fantastic. All right, Greg, we'll let you spin around and take off. We appreciate you being with us.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good one.